Good morning everyone. Now we are going to discuss about engineering mathematics of GATE examination. First chapter is linear algebra. The first topic is vector space. V is an vector which is consist of non-empty set of elements. It may be vector, matrix or any function. Now there are two main operations which are vector addition, vector multiplication. Vector addition. Now A and B are two vector space. How to add these two vector space? A will consist of A1, A2, etc. An, and B will consist of B1, B2, etc. Bn. Now we are going to add A and B. A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2 and An plus Bn. Next is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication. Now we are going to multiply alpha with element A. A is an set of A1, A2, etc. An. So alpha will be multiplied as alpha into A1, alpha into A2, alpha into An. The vector will be multiplied by the two axes like x, y, y. But scalar will multiplies with each and every element of the set. Next, these are the properties which we are going to discuss today. These are the commutative law will include A plus B is equal to B plus A. Similarly, associative, inverse, zero element, left distributive, right distributive, multiplicative inverse are included. The first six law, which means commutative, associative, inverse, zero, left distributive law will are considered as closure properties. If even any one of the properties is not satisfied, then the vector is not to be considered as vector space. Every properties must be satisfied for vector space. The concept of dot product, length, vector product need not to satisfy these properties. Fields in scalar. Fields in scalar is an addition of real numbers and complex number. Group of real numbers and complex numbers are called as fields. If V is equal to 0, then it is called as trivial space. Let us discuss one example. A is equal to x1, y1, B is equal to x2, y2. Check whether the vector addition and the scalar multiplication prove that V is not a vector space. Now we are going to prove this V is not an vector space. Let us consider, and we are going to add A and B. The value of A is equal to B plus A. It is a commutative law. The value of A and value of B. The value of A will be this and B will be and A will be this. These both are not equal. Thus, it does not satisfy commutative law. Thus, it is not an vector space. Next, we are going to discuss about subspace. Subspace is a small subset of vector space. V is an vector and W is an subset vector. Consider V is a large vector, W is another vector. It is also a subset of V. But both must satisfy all the properties. Then the W is called as subspace of V. Thank you all. Follow us for more videos.